the reasons why we brought the new death penalty forward is obviously Illinois got rid of the former death penalty that we had, but we came up with a bill that overhauls the old death penalty. So it's not the old death penalty whatsoever. This is a totally new death penalty. It goes after what I call the worst of the worst. So in my opinion, people that kill policemen, people that kill firemen, EMTs, first responders, kills a child that's 12 years of age or under, and or kills multiple people in terrorist act, or kills multiple people, we want to make sure that the families of those brutally murdered have a option of lobbying their elected state's attorney to go after the death penalty. This bill does not go after all death penalty or all murder cases. It's only for ironclad cases. We obviously do not want to put any innocent person to death. So what we're looking at is making sure that there's ironclad evidence. I bring up Sandy Hook because there's multiple victims, there was lots of children, and if that happened here in Illinois, and instead of the person killing themselves, the police capture this person, I believe that the victims' families should be able to lobby their elected official, their state's attorney, to have the death penalty on the table. Obviously, our law enforcement is the line between good and evil. And when somebody targets a law enforcement officer, we feel that the family should be able to lobby going after the death penalty. Some people will say, well, we're putting too much emphasis on law enforcement. Well, law enforcement, again, stands between good and evil. We task law enforcement with near impossible jobs to do, and I think this is a very good opportunity for us to protect the protectors. So I think there's a lot of different things in this bill. We are open to negotiating. There's some people that have concerns that, well, if we put them on death row, that they're going to be there for 20 years. Well, if they're ironclad cases, let's make that a much shorter period. The person that was brutally murdered, and I've seen unfortunately lots of murders, none of them are nice. Those people aren't here with us any longer. They don't get to breathe the air that the person that brutally murdered them gets to. So I think there's a lot of good things that we can do with this bill. I think there's a lot of room to negotiate on changing it, and we've requested the Speaker of the House to at least let us have a hearing on it in a committee.